the unchanging inner presence. You may have heard this before, but what does it mean? Inner presence, the sense of I am, your sense of being. Now, if you pay attention, if you go back in time when you were 5 years old, there was this sense that you are. You may not know anything about spiritual stuff, contents, concepts, teachings, but you know that you are. When you are 10 years old, 12 years old, you know that you are. When you go through your puberty and you're 14, 15, 16, 17 years old and your life has changed, you know that you are. You go to your 20s, you graduate from college, you get a bit older, you're looking for a career, you know that you are. You may get married, have children, you still know that you are. You may be getting older, you know, you're 40 years old, 50 years old, you come closer to the end of your life, you know that you are. This knowing that you are, which has nothing to do with your religious background, with your upbringing, with how you feel, whether you feel good or you feel bad, with your economic situation, with your race, with your color of skin, with your religion. It has nothing to do with anything. It's a sense that you are and you're here. That never changes. That is the eternal, unchanging part of us. The witness, the awareness, the presence. This unchanging presence that is always, always here, regardless of what is going on, whether it's an internal change is happening to us or if it's an external change, it doesn't matter. This part of us, the awareness, the witness, the presence, the sense of I am, it's always here and it never changes.